Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anfis and this is my new video. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know what we're doing today. We're finally doing my braids again. I'm gonna start like super fast because I have so much to do today to have them done as soon as possible. So I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna need. So I'm gonna need one of these. I'm gonna use my gel. This is the one that I always use. Pair of scissors. No, I love my scissors. I grab a few of those thing that we're gonna need, of course, is our hair. First thing that I wanna do, I wanna go ahead, grab the gel and start dividing my hair. So I usually do a middle line. So I'm gonna use the mirror in front of me. Okay, so after you have it, your two halves, you're gonna go ahead and make your square. I usually start from the back. This is that I have to show you guys how I usually do it. I'm gonna start from the front. I'm gonna go ahead and take and decide like what my square is gonna be. Okay, so when you do your own braid, make sure you know how to, if you make your box too small and then your braid is too thick, it's gonna look weird. So this is how I usually do it. Take the hair and I divide it into two. As you guys can see, I am using silver and black, and then I'm gonna do one that is smaller and one that is bigger. See? So at least the one that was smaller is gonna be the same size as one that was the big one. This is my technique that my aunt teach me. Don't be scared of take too much time because like you don't wanna like look funny. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of gel here too, so this is stay down. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, take my hair. What I usually do, I usually roll it up in my hair like this. And then I'm just gonna start braiding a regular way. So take one, go under, take the right side, go under, and then take the left side, go under, and then right side, go under, left side, go under, and then the same thing for each. So since that everybody was asking me, I learned how to braid in Italy because my best friend mom knows how to braid. She's from Congo. I knew I would come and live over here by myself, so I didn't know who could braid my hair. You know, she teach me slower for that. I'm not gonna make them crazy long. So one thing that you wanna do, like at the end, just like this is how I do it. I don't know if I'm supposed to. So after we are done with our whole head, we're gonna go ahead and seal them with like hot water. For now, I just like make a knot. That's it. This is our first braid. So I'm gonna go ahead and do everything probably off camera or. So what's up, guys? So let me guys know if you ever have braids. Let me guys know if you guys wanna like an OG tutorial, just like, hey, I wanna know how to do my braids by myself. I'm just gonna do it fast because I have so much to do today. So my family is coming from Italy and I have to clean my room, OD, and I have to go talk for the new job. Carino. Okay, so now that I'm only missing 2 braids, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go upstairs and put some water to boil. So then when I'm done with the braids, I'm ready to like seal them. Okay, so I'm finally done. I'm gonna go check if the water is boiling. See, and this is how it looks like after the boiling water. Me, I usually don't care if something like this happen because my hair is short, but like if you do, you guys can get those. You're like $1, $2, and you're just gonna go ahead and use your hair jewelry. This, see, you can do it for the rest of your head. So this is how they look like right now. So I made them shorter as you guys can see, and I didn't make them thick, so it looks different from how I used to have them. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys didn't do it yet, please subscribe and of course follow my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below. And just let me know what you guys think about these braids. Let me know if I help you out a little bit, and just leave everything in the comment down below.